American composer Samuel Barber wrote that music in 1956, a piece for woodwind quintet called Summer Music. And we heard it from a summertime concert at the Colorado College Music Festival in Colorado Springs. Elizabeth Mann played the flute, Robert Walters, oboe, Lauren Minor Jacobson played clarinet, Michael Thornton played the horn, Michael Croft played the bassoon. You can keep up with all things PT by signing up for our new e-newsletter. On our homepage, click on the newsletter button in the upper right-hand corner. That's online at performancetoday.org. In a moment, a set of tunes that may or may not have been learned from parrots in the Amazon rainforest. You're listening to APM's Performance Today.
Wow. Performance Today, Amazon rainforest. You never know where music comes from. I'm Kate Archer-Kent, and here it is, our spring membership campaign, asking for you to make a pledge of support right now on behalf of your favorite programs like Performance Today. Rabbi Jana De Benedetti here from B'nai Zion in Shreveport. Thank you so much for coming by.
Good morning. It was tricky today in this weather, but it wasn't.
A little tricky and a little bit of ice chipping.
That's right. I'm not used to this. It's been a long time since I've had to chip my ice.
But you're still very proficient, I'm sure.
It was good. It was good.
You have a scraper.
I do have a scraper. It's hiding somewhere because I don't ever need it.
And we're asking for you to make a pledge of support here for your favorite programs that you like to listen to, whether it's Performance Today or the news or the talk programs. All of it becomes part of the Red River Radio package, so to speak. Our public radio programs that we offer you here are only made possible because of listener member support. So become a member right now at 1-800-552-8502. Who do you have to thank?
So today we're thanking a renewing member, Dr. Richard Dietzen from Arkansas. He says that he especially likes classical music when they inform one on the specific piece. It's helpful always to know what you're listening to.
And give context.
Yeah. I love that. Yeah. It's one of the things that I love about listening to this station, other than other stations, is I don't always know who's doing what and what they're doing, but I always know when I'm listening here.
And then what I love about Performance Today is you get the why. You get to find out the context of what a composer was thinking when they were composing and why were they, and it really, and then it pulls you in that human element, gives you a greater appreciation for what you're going to listen to.
I agree. So we're about to listen to something that sounds like parrots, and do you feel a little like a parrot that we keep saying the same thing over and over again? Please support us, support us, support us.
I know.
So be a parrot today, but support us, support us, support us.
Right. 1-800-552-8502 is the number to call, or pledge online at redriverradio.org. And, we say it over and over and over ad nauseum because we truly couldn't do it without your pledge of support at whatever level, at whatever giving level it is. We need that membership base in order to turn around and create great public radio program that gives you the context, that gives you the news, that gives you so much entertainment, and there is great quality in the programming that comes your way each and every day through Red River Radio. I counted up this morning more than 70 programs that we air between our main channel and our HD3 channel. So all of those programs cost dollars in order to create them, in order to bring them to air. So please do your part and make the pledge right now. And, doctors.
Yeah, that's all. Dr. J, Rabbi Jana. I've been all those things.
Oh, dear. I'm getting a little tired here. But, Rabbi Jana, you were saying earlier that you've been listening to a lot of programs that have been saluting public radio stations and saying, look, if you like this program, it's because your local public radio station has made it possible.
I love that. I think about the programs and what it took to make these programs. And sometimes we talk about, well, did you know that this particular program costs $10,000 for us to be able to do it? And I say, I can't pay $10,000, but I could pay $5. And lots of people are listening, and then it helps. And each time I listen, I should pay something. I should help. I should contribute.
Yeah, and we've often said in the past that if we just had $11 from each and every listener to Red River Radio, we would never need to do an on-air fundraising campaign.
I think I could do $11. That's not even $1 a month. I could do this. I think that's the part that everybody listening here can probably do this. And I bet somebody could do $12 for the person who can only do 10. And I think that's one of the things that makes this wonderful. It's a community station, and it's up to us to make it work.
Many hands make